Edmunds just did what most car buyers wish they had the time to do. They took the 2026 SUV market, stripped away the massive marketing budgets, ignored the badge prestige, and ranked them based on what actually happens after you sign the paperwork. We are talking about the real cost of ownership, the maintenance bills that show up 3 years later, the depreciation hits that wipe out your equity, the fuel costs that drain your wallet week after week. Most people buy an SUV based on a 10-minute test drive and a feeling, but this list exposes the harsh reality. The SUVs you think are the best are nowhere to be found, replaced by vehicles that quietly do their job without turning into a financial disaster. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which 5 SUVs are the smartest places to put your money in 2026, and why the #1 pick completely redefines what makes a car truly great. If you believe reliability matters more than luxury, hit the like button, because that's exactly what this ranking is about. SUVs that actually make sense long-term. Buying a 3-row SUV usually forces you into a brutal compromise. You either get the space you need and pay a fortune at the gas pump, or you buy something smaller and listen to passengers complain about cramped legs. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid completely shatters that compromise, earning its spot as the family efficiency king. Toyota took everything people liked about the regular Highlander and fixed the biggest complaint by adding a 3rd row that actual adults can sit in. But the real reason this vehicle makes the list isn't just the massive interior space or the near 98 cubic feet of max cargo room. It is the math behind the hybrid system. The standard 2.5-liter hybrid gives you 245 horsepower and an unbelievable 36 miles per gallon combined. Getting that kind of fuel economy in a vehicle seating up to 8 people is a total game changer for a household budget. If you need more power, the Hybrid Max Turbo pushes out 362 horsepower, though you will drop to about 27 miles per gallon. For most buyers, that standard hybrid is a match made in heaven. You get the proven longevity of a Toyota hybrid system refined over 2 decades. There is no range anxiety like you get with a full electric vehicle, and the maintenance costs remain entirely predictable. The interior materials might not feel as premium as the high price tag suggests, and the infotainment system takes some getting used to. But when you factor in the incredibly strong resale value and the fact you aren't bleeding cash at the gas station, the Grand Highlander Hybrid becomes the most logical family hauler on the market. It simply delivers smooth, family-focused comfort and keeps your bank account intact. Families needing massive space usually stick to the pavement, but the next vehicle targets a completely different kind of buyer. The 2026 Subaru Outback lands here by technically not being an SUV at all. It is a wagon, but buyers treat it exactly like an SUV. And it outsmarts traditional utility vehicles by delivering all-weather practicality and safety that makes most crossovers look like expensive toys. Every single Outback comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. You don't have to pay extra for an upgrade package just to get the traction you need. That standard setup, combined with up to 9.5 inches of ground clearance on the wilderness trim, means this vehicle handles deep snow and muddy trails better than SUVs that look much more aggressive. It is a match made in heaven for anyone living in the snowbelt or who actually camps on the weekends. You have 2 engine choices, a 102 horsepower 2.5-liter flat 4 getting around 26 to 28 miles per gallon, or a much punchier 260 horsepower turbocharged engine. The base engine definitely feels a bit slow when fully loaded, and the massive vertical infotainment screen can sometimes be glitchy. But buyers willingly look past those minor flaws because the rest of the package is so dialed in. The ride quality is incredibly comfortable, absorbing bad roads effortlessly. Outward visibility is excellent, which is rare in modern cars. Subaru's EyeSight Driver Assist comes standard, contributing to consistently high crash test ratings. Insurance companies love the Outback, keeping premiums low, and the resale value in cold weather states is practically bulletproof. Owners routinely take these vehicles well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. The Outback proves you don't need a massive, blocky SUV to get unbeatable versatility. While the Outback wins over the outdoor crowd, the next vehicle wins over absolutely everyone else by simply refusing to brake. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and its plug-in sibling, the RAV4 Prime, represent the most financially sound purchase you can make. The RAV4 is America's best-selling SUV for a reason. It offers a masterclass in boring but unbeatable ownership math. When you buy a RAV4 Hybrid, you get a 219 horsepower system with standard all-wheel drive pulling in around 40 miles per gallon combined. That efficiency cuts your yearly fuel budget down to a fraction of what a traditional gas SUV demands. But if you get your hands on the RAV4 Prime, the math gets even crazier. The Prime is a plug-in hybrid pushing out 302 horsepower, making it one of the quickest SUVs in its class. It hits 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds while giving you about 42 miles of pure electric range. You can commute all week without burning a drop of gas, then take a cross-country road trip on the weekend without worrying about charging stations. It is a match made in heaven for drivers bridging the gas and electric worlds. Of course, the cabin noise is noticeably louder than some rivals, and because demand is so high, finding discounts is almost impossible. The Prime version is especially hard to track down, but the long-term reality completely outweighs those gripes. The RAV4 holds its value better than almost anything else on the road, boasting one of the lowest depreciation rates in the compact segment. The reliability is legendary, meaning fewer trips to the mechanic and lower stress for a decade or more. It just works, every single day, keeping your total cost of ownership incredibly low. The RAV4 proves you don't need luxury to have a great car. But what if you actually want premium features without signing up for a massive headache? The 2026 Lexus TX 350h offers a rare combination in the automotive world: true luxury comfort paired with Toyota's bulletproof hybrid reliability, and a third row you can actually use. European luxury SUVs are notorious for looking great on the showroom floor and turning into absolute money pits the second the warranty expires. Complex turbochargers and electrical gremlins destroy their resale value. The TX 350h is the complete opposite. It is essentially a luxury Grand Highlander, designed for comfort over performance. You get a 2.5-liter hybrid system, making around 246 horsepower, that delivers about 30 to 33 miles per gallon combined. Getting over 30 mpg in a heavy 3-row luxury vehicle is outstanding. The cabin is dead quiet, featuring excellent sound insulation and premium materials that feel built to last. The third row is surprisingly adult-friendly, a massive upgrade over older Lexus models. It is a match made in heaven for buyers who want an extremely smooth ride without the usual penalties of luxury ownership. Lexus historically dominates reliability surveys, meaning you avoid the expensive repair risks plaguing German competitors. Maintenance costs are lower, insurance is reasonable, and resale value holds strong. Yes, the starting price is expensive, and if you want a sporty drive, this isn't the car for you. Some rivals offer more cutting-edge screens, but Edmunds ranks the TX 350h this high because it understands the assignment perfectly. It delivers a serene, stress-free luxury experience that won't punish your wallet 5 years down the road. You might think the #1 vehicle would be something flashy or incredibly expensive, but the SUV that beat everything else on the market is the 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This is the shocking winner because it achieves something extremely rare in the auto industry. It has virtually no major weaknesses. The CR-V Hybrid is the pure definition of a smart purchase. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter hybrid system producing 204 horsepower and pulling in about 40 miles per gallon combined. It handles daily driving with a level of smoothness and refinement that rivals vehicles costing $10,000 more. Honda tuned this hybrid system to rely heavily on the electric motor at lower speeds, giving it an EV-like feel around town without the charging hassles. It is a match made in heaven for the average commuter. Inside, the space is incredible. You get nearly 40 cubic feet of cargo room behind the rear seats, which is best-in-class practicality for a compact SUV. The cabin feels wide open, visibility is excellent, and the layout just makes sense. There are no frustrating touch-capacitive buttons hiding basic climate controls. It is just easy to live with. The reason the CR-V Hybrid claims the absolute top spot is the ownership logic. It perfectly balances every single thing a buyer actually needs. The reliability reputation is stellar, meaning your operating costs stay incredibly low for the life of the vehicle. It is comfortable enough for long road trips, spacious enough for a growing family, and holds its resale value remarkably well. Insurance costs are moderate, and the safety ratings are top tier thanks to the standard Honda Sensing Suite. It doesn't ask you to compromise on fuel efficiency to get space, and it doesn't force you to pay luxury prices. It simply does everything right. Buying a new vehicle shouldn't feel like a gamble. When you look past the shiny brochures and focus on the numbers that actually dictate your ownership experience, the choices become incredibly clear. These 5 vehicles prove that the smartest money is spent on efficiency, proven drivetrains, and everyday usability. They keep you out of the repair shop and keep money in your pocket where it belongs. If this breakdown helped you see through the hype and understand what really matters when buying your next car, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We consistently expose the real numbers behind the auto industry, so you never overpay for a mistake. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 5 makes the most sense for your driveway. See you in the next one.